Jayakumar, third year EEE. Subject Power System and Operational Control. Case study 2. Analysis the impact of energy storage systems ESS on renewable energy integrations and grid stability. First one, enhancing renewable energy integrations, addressing intermittency of renewables, smoothing output fluctuations. ESS can store excess energy when solar or wind generation is high and discharge it during periods of low generation, ensuring a stable power supply. Firming power supply. By acting as a buffer, ESS ensures that renewable energy sources providing consistent and predictable power, making them more reliable for grid operations. Second one, enabling higher renewable energy pentegrations, peak saving and load shifting. Energy storage allows renewable energy to be stored during off-peak hours and used during peak demand, reduced reliance on fossil fuels. Next, grid congestions management. ESS can help mitigate transmission congestion by storing energy in regions with high renewable generations and supplying it when needed elsewhere. Enabling decentralized energy systems, microgrids and distributed energy resources. Energy storage supports local energy generations and consumption, reducing dependency on centralized power plants and enhancing energy resilience. Off-grid and rural electrifications in remote areas. ESS combined with renewable power provides reliable electricity without the needed for extensive grid infrastructure. Improving grid stability. Fast response to frequency deviations, voltage support and reactive power compensation. Backout prevention of grid resilience. Backup power islanding capability, reducing stress on grid infrastructure. Thank you.